Open up 12 school test data from the student files. Today we're going to create a basic pivot table. Click on cell A1, press End, then press the down arrow. Notice that there are 139, 129 rows of data. Press Ctrl plus Home to return to the top of the worksheet. On the Insert tab, click the Recommended Pivot Tables button. Scroll to the bottom and click Count of Scale Score by Proficiency Level. Then click on OK and name the new sheet count. Then return to the counts sheet and drag the grade field in the pivot table fields pane down to the values section. Drag the count of scale score from the values section into the worksheet to remove it. Notice that the no score row now counts each missing score. Drag the grade field to the columns area. You'll see each grade summarized. Drag the test field to the filters area. Cell B1 currently shows all. Click the filtered drop-down arrow, choose Math, and click OK. On the filter button, click cell B1 and choose Reading. Click OK. Then save the workbook to the Lesson 12 folder as 12 Test Pivot Table Solutions. Leave the workbook open for the next exercise. Alright, the next exercise is learning how to add a pivot chart. On the data worksheet, click cell A1. On the Insert tab, click the Pivot Chart button and then choose Pivot Chart. The default location is for a new worksheet, so click OK. Name the new sheet tab Pivot Chart. Drag the test field to the filters area. Drag grade to the values area. And drag grade again to the axis area. Drag the proficiency level to the legend area. Move the chart to the left edge of the worksheet below the data. Then resize the chart. On the test drop-down arrow on the chart, choose Science and click OK. Notice that only 5th, 8th, and 10th grades are available because those are the only grades that take the science test. Click the Format tab, then click the text box button and click the top of the chart. Add the label that says Student Science Test Scores and make this label bold and 18 points. Click cell A3 and change the label. Click cell A3. and change the label to say just count. In F4, click on the label for unsatisfactory. Move the mouse pointer to the left edge of the cell until the mouse pointer changes to a four-headed black arrow, and drag the mouse between columns C and D. Repeat step 13 and move the advanced column to between proficient and grand total. Resize the pivot chart so it goes to column L. Save the workbook as 12 test pivot chart solution. Your final sheet should look like the one below.